Welcome to this lesson on electromagnets. An electromagnet is a special type of magnet that uses electricity to create magnetism. Unlike the magnets you might have on your refrigerator, electromagnets can be turned on and off simply by controlling the flow of electric current. In this video, we'll explore how electric current flowing through wires can create magnetic fields, and how this amazing discovery connects electricity and magnetism together. The relationship between electricity and magnetism was discovered in 1819 by Danish scientist Hans Christian Ørsted. He noticed that when electric current flows through a wire, it creates a magnetic field around that wire. This was a groundbreaking discovery because before this, scientists thought electricity and magnetism were completely separate forces. This phenomenon that connects electricity and magnetism is the foundation of how electromagnets work. When electric current flows through a straight wire, something interesting happens. The magnetic field that forms doesn't travel in a straight line. Instead, it forms concentric circles around the wire, like ripples spreading out on water. These circular magnetic field lines wrap around the wire in every direction. The strength of this magnetic field is strongest near the wire and gets weaker as you move farther away from it. To determine the direction of the magnetic field around a current-carrying wire, scientists use something called the right-hand rule. Here's how it works. Point your right thumb in the direction that the electric current is flowing through the wire. Now, curl your fingers around the wire. The direction your fingers curl shows the direction of the magnetic field lines circling around the wire. This simple technique helps us visualize and predict the behavior of magnetic fields created by electric currents. Now here's where things get really interesting. If we take that current-carrying wire and coil it into loops, we can make the magnetic field much stronger. When the wire is formed into multiple loops, the magnetic fields from each individual loop add together and combine. This creates a much more powerful magnetic field than a single straight wire could produce. The more loops or turns we add, the stronger the overall magnetic field becomes. We can make our electromagnet even stronger by adding an iron core inside the coil of wire. When we place a piece of iron or steel inside the coil, something remarkable happens. The iron becomes magnetized and amplifies the magnetic field dramatically. In fact, adding an iron core can make the magnetic field 1,000 times stronger or even more compared to just having air inside the coil. This is why most practical electromagnets use an iron core. There are three main factors that determine how strong an electromagnet will be. First, the amount of electric current flowing through the wire. More current creates a stronger magnetic field. Second, the number of turns or loops in the coil. More loops means a stronger field because the magnetic effects add up. Third, the core material placed inside the coil. Using ferromagnetic materials like iron produces a much stronger field than air or non-magnetic materials. By adjusting these three factors, we can control exactly how strong our electromagnet needs to be. One of the most useful features of electromagnets is that we can reverse their polarity. Remember that every magnet has a north pole and a south pole. In an electromagnet, if we reverse the direction of the electric current flowing through the wire, the magnetic poles switch places. What was the north pole becomes the south pole, and what was the south pole becomes the north pole. This ability to reverse polarity on demand is something permanent magnets cannot do. Electromagnets are used in countless applications in our everyday lives. In scrapyards and construction sites, powerful electromagnets on cranes can lift and move heavy pieces of metal, and then release them simply by turning off the current. Electric bells and buzzers use electromagnets to create the mechanical motion that produces sound. Speakers in your headphones and motors in electric devices rely on electromagnets to convert electrical energy into motion. Even medical imaging machines, like MRI scanners, use extremely powerful electromagnets. The key advantage of electromagnets over permanent magnets is that they can be turned on and off instantly, giving us complete control over when and where we need magnetic force.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.